No, don't be scared.
You want to eat it again?
Here, I have another one here.
No, he's still eating. There, masabi yun. Oh. Tuwa mo lang. Ano yung papakainin ni Veda ulit? Yung nasa gilid.
Nasa pa oh. Ba, isa tulog na.
Tulungin isa.
You want to experience boat riding? Ganito boat, small boat?
Nag-finish na kami yesterday eh. Bike na, no?
Wala kasi mong bike?
Wala na. Sure. Ito kay mama. Ito kay mama.
Kumakain ko siya.
Wala lang ako doon.
Can you get the other one?
Yes, eh. Kumain sila? Nakuha mo ba? Ng moving?